Hello and welcome to our channel Tech 2. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can disable or enable the history view on REDnote. So, if you want to disable all of your view history on REDnote, just go ahead and open the REDnote app on your phone. Click on the profile or me icon on the bottom right and click on settings. Then head over to the general settings option and you can see the history option over here. So just go ahead and tap on it and all of the view history will be deleted and they will not be shown. This feature will show 1000 notes which you have recently viewed. So if you want to enable the view history, just go ahead and tap on it. Wondering where you can find your history? It's quite easy. Click on the three lines on the top left hand corner and tap on history and you can see all of your view history. Go ahead and tap on the settings, go to general and disable the view history if you want. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.